Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you my bullet journal pages for June. So as you might notice here on the left side of the screen, I got a bunch of new stickers and I can't wait to use them this month in my bullet journal. But first let me flip through my May spreads very quickly. And then we're going to start with some review pages for May. As always, I'm going to start with a memories page on the left side. And usually I really like the month of May because it's my birthday month. And I always look forward to my birthday. And usually May is also a month where there's a lot of sunshine and it really feels like spring. But unfortunately this year there was so much rain and May was like a very grey month here in Belgium, which made me a little bit sad because the mood outside was just so grey and there wasn't much sunshine. But still I think I had a pretty nice month. I had a really nice birthday. I went away for a weekend with my boyfriend, and it was also very rainy, but we just stayed inside a lot and we played some Scrabble and I read some books, and it was still quite nice. But I hope that June is going to be more sunny, and as I'm recording this voiceover, it's already the 6th of June, and it's been a very sunny week, so I am very hopeful of the weather this month. So for the right side of my spread, I am also doing the same thing I always do, which is make a review page with 4 categories, which is mental health, lifestyle, career and education, and creative expression. And as usual, I'm just going to fill this in off camera because it takes a long time. And then we're done with the pages for May, so I'm going to start with my June spread. And for that, I am going to use some of my new stickers, which I'm very excited about. I got so many that it took a while to decide which ones I want to use. But I ended up using just a combination of all of them. And I also got these new washi tapes, which I'm very excited about. I've been wanting to get new washi tape since forever, and I never seem to find ones I like. So I spent a very long time on Etsy looking at different kinds of washi tape. And I ended up finding these, which have like a grid pattern on them, and I think they're very cute. I also noticed it's very difficult for me as a person living in Belgium to find washi tape that's not coming from Etsy shops that are in the UK. It's like all of the Etsy shops that I found that sold washi tape were in the UK. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. And since this year, sometimes you get taxes if you order something from the UK. So I'm always a bit hesitant now because it's already happened to me once that I bought this dress from a shop in the UK, which was from like a made-to-order store, and it was quite expensive, or well, not super expensive, but it was maybe a bit more than I would usually spend. And then when it arrived, I had to pay extra because I had to pay taxes, and that was also expensive. So it was not such a fun experience. So now I try to order things from shops a bit closer to home if possible. But it was impossible for the washi tape. I don't know why. If anyone has any good tips for washi tape in Belgium, let me know. But that's like a very niche question, I think, so I don't think I'll get any responses. But so for this spread, I'm using some of my old stickers and some of these new ones, which are basically just colored circles, I guess. But they are very bright and nice. And then I also got these which have little faces on them. And so for the colors, I'm using a mix of red and yellow and green. And I think the whole thing ended up looking very sunny and summer-like. And it made me very happy to look at afterwards. And then I'm just going to decorate the page with some little doodles using my yellow marker. And I think then we're done with this spread. So for the next page, I am doing my habit tracker, which is also something I do every month. And I think I'm just copying this from last month. I have made some changes. I have one habit which is like cooking/baking, because I like to cook and I like to bake. And it used to be one habit, but I've split it up into two because I feel like they shouldn't be on the same line. So I split them up for this month. And then I also added one extra habit, which is journaling. I started a new journal, I think last month. I haven't journaled in a very long time. I used to journal when I was a teenager, and then I stopped. And then lately I've been seeing some like YouTube videos or videos in my recommendations, which are like how to start a journal, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it kind of made me think of when I used to journal, and I actually liked it a lot. So I decided to start again. And so far I'm really enjoying it, but I'm not pressuring myself to do it every day. I think so far I've maybe done it like once a week. And yeah, I think it's very relaxing. Something else that I'm going to focus on this month is I'm going to try to incorporate some more yoga and running in my routine. These are two things that I already had on my habit tracker, but I almost never do them. I had a period where I was doing a lot of yoga, but then I was struggling with some tension headaches, and I had a lot of tension in my back and in my shoulders, and then I stopped doing yoga for a while because it put some strain on my shoulders. But now I'm going to try and pick it up again, and I want to balance it with running, which is something that I used to do a lot, but I also kind of stopped doing it. And so I've been kind of looking into like running schedules that I can follow, but all of them require you to run like 3 times a week, and I don't want to do that because I also want to do the yoga. So if anyone has good tips for like a yoga/running schedule that I can use, that's like meant for people who like doing sports for health reasons and not for competitive reasons, then please send it to me because that would be very useful. And now I'm working on my weekly spreads. I still really like this setup, so I have one page for every week. On the left side I have a to-do list, and then on the right side I have 3 sections. One is a section for relaxation, which has 3 bullet points, and I require myself to write down 3 things that I'm going to do for myself that week that are just like relaxing. Then I have a second section which is fun things, and then the bottom one is notes, and that's everything. And I think then I'm done with my June pages. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!